Hi guys, this is your girl Maya. I just wanted to show you guys all the Jamaican goodies I purchased today while I stopped in New York. This is just a short video to show you all of the good snacks. I have some Carl's bag juice right here. I don't know some I love Carl's bag juice. Every time I go back to Jamaica, Carl's is like my personal best. Okay, I get one breadfruit and me I forgot put that in the oven because yeah we can't light up no grill, so me I go roast that. I get some goat meat because guys, the goat meat was $4.99 a pound. I couldn't beat that. I could not. Okay, I have the Devon digestive Bigfoot. I have the honey bun donut and the cheese snacks, all kind of something like one. I get the tambourine ball them. Guys, the only thing I was disappointed in is the guinea. Now the guinea, this is why them always say taste and buy is good. Me never taste and buy. Me just went straight ahead and buy the whole thing, and I'm disappointed because guys, them sour. Anyways, over here I have some cran water. I don't know some is a cran water type of girl. And right here some have some boom. And I don't know that go ready. Oh, big up straight vibes. This is not a part of my shopping, but I have big up straight vibes, right? Over here, so guys, me get one big bag of cheese curls because cheese curls are my personal best. When I say cheese curls, look, listen guys, I've been eating cheese curls since I was about 5-6. So yeah, well over 20 years. Listen to me. And guys, this store is located in Bronx, New York. I think it's called SY Grace Mart, and it's located at 4008 Boston Road, Bronx, New York. Wanna go and go check them out. May I tell you the price right. The people them friendly over there. Everything. Look at guys, we don't need to go to Jamaica. And the things them fresh, them no stale. And listen, price good, everything good. One of my favorite place to stop when I'm in New York. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.